Okay guys, you are doing a paired passage today. So your first one is an informational. Okay, you can see it's got a title. It even has like these little dates here, kind of like a magazine. Okay, it's called Pucker Up Time in Eau Claire. Okay, not very long. And then it's paired with a poem. You need to read and take notes on the first section. And then you need to go to the first set of questions, okay, for Pucker Up Time. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and read these to you. Don't worry about the numbers. It's okay. Okay, here we go. According to the article, the annual event began when A, a local family wanted to prove they could win an award. B, neighbors gathered at a local fruit farm. C, a frost ruined a crop of cherries at a local fruit farm. Or D, people came to the town to seek employment. Okay, number 8. Look at the dictionary entry. It says, which definition best matches the way the word shot is used in paragraph 8? You don't need to get a dictionary for this. It's right here. Okay? So definition 1. A throw in an effort to score points in a game. Definition 2. A small amount applied at once. Number 3. A try or an attempt. Number 4. An effective remark. So which definition best matches the way the word shot is used in paragraph 8? Go back to paragraph 8. Definition 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, number 9. Which sentence best states the main idea of the article? A, a truck driver from Chicago was the champion of the pit spit in Eau Claire in 2012. B, the pit spit, which features many eager participants, will be taking place again at the Tremendous Fruit Farm in Eau Claire. C, although last year's cold weather kept the cherry harvest small, this year the harvest will be ideal for the pit spit. D, many members of the Krause family will be participating again this year at the pit spit. Main idea of the entire article. Okay, number 10. Based on the information in the article, what can the reader infer about the contest? F, some people travel from places outside the city to participate in the event. G, the contestants are required to grow the cherries that are used in the event. H, the contestants need to have participated in a similar event in the past. Or J, people from the town enjoyed the event only when it was a small neighborhood gathering. Okay, the next set of questions is for the poem. Okay, so you would need to go back and now read the poem. You should be taking notes to the side of each stanza. It should not be blank. Okay? Okay, so now you've read the poem. Please go back to number 11. Here we go. It says use Cherry Berry, the poem, to answer questions 11 through 14. 11. The reader can tell that the speaker is experienced at spitting cherry pits because she, A, provides several suggestions about the best way to prepare for the activity. B, identifies the number of times she has practiced over the summer. C, reveals that there is a bowl of cherries in her kitchen. Or D, states that she has a spit pit in her yard. Which one shows that she is experienced? Number 12. What is one important effect of the rhyme scheme of the poem? F, it focuses the reader on the most important words in the poem. G, it helps the reader visualize the problem that the speaker experiences. H, it creates a rhythm that emphasizes the quick actions in the poem. Or J, it helps explain what spitting a cherry pit sounds like. So go and check out the rhyme scheme, see which words rhyme and how they help you. All right, number 13. Which line from the poem best helps the reader understand the meaning of launch? A, backbone straight. B, one more tip. C, round your lips. D, aim for the fence. Launch. And number 14. What is most likely the reason the poet compares spitting cherry pits to playing baseball. F, to show that spitting cherry pits is just as much a team sport as baseball. G, to help the reader relate a well-known activity to an activity that might be unfamiliar. H, to explain that less time is required for spitting cherry pits than for playing baseball. Or J, to show the reader that some activities are more interesting than others. Okay. Now you have 2 questions for both Pucker Up Time and Cherry Berry. Number 15. Which message is expressed by both the article and the poem? So similarities. A, some activities can be appreciated simply for the fun of them. B, even if you do not succeed right away, you must keep on trying. C, a great talent is often shared by family members. Or D, it is important to be polite to be a polite and kind-hearted winner. What you should do here is you should put article, poem, article, poem, article, poem, article, poem. Okay, if it's true in the article and not in the poem, I might put a check here and an X here. Okay, I don't know the answer, so I'm just giving an example. So when you're looking for both, you're going to have 2 check marks. Okay, so go through each one and see, is it true for that one and that one? Or is it only true for this one and not this one? Okay, that's just a strategy that you should be using for comparing and contrasting text. Okay, and then number 16. What is one main difference between the event the author describes in the article and the event the speaker describes in the poem? A difference. F, the type of cherry pit that is used. G, the setting. H, the excitement people feel. Or J, the rules that are followed. Okay, what is the difference between the 2? So I would say, no, that's the same. Yeah, that's kind of different. No, that's the same, right? Go one by one, each one. Okay? Okay, so go ahead and if you need to rewind, pause it, go back, read it a couple of times, whatever you need to do. Okay?